Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the top 5 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned gym goer, these exercises are perfect for helping you achieve your fitness goals. They target different muscle groups, ensuring a full body workout that delivers results. Imagine looking in the mirror 4 weeks from now and seeing a stronger, more toned version of yourself. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these moves into your routine regularly. Ready to get started? Grab your workout gear, some water, and let's dive into it. Squats are a powerhouse exercise that can transform your lower body. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. To get started, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up, back straight, and start by lowering your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Remember, the deeper you go, the more effective the squat. Focus on keeping your knees aligned with your toes and avoid letting them cave inward. As you lower yourself, inhale deeply, and as you rise back up, exhale. Squats are versatile. You can do them with or without weights, depending on your fitness level. To challenge yourself, try variations like sumo squats or jump squats. These add intensity and can help break through plateaus. Don't rush through the movements. Quality over quantity is essential for seeing results and avoiding injury. Make squats a staple in your workout routine, aiming for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. As you build strength, increase the weight or the number of reps. Over time, you'll notice improved muscle tone, better balance, and increased strength. So, take your time, focus on your form, and watch your body transform. Push-ups are a classic exercise that targets your upper body, including your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core to maintain this position throughout the movement. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. Inhale as you lower yourself, and exhale as you push back up to the starting position. If standard push-ups are too challenging, modify by dropping your knees to the ground. As you get stronger, you can transition to full push-ups. To add variety and target different muscle groups, try incline or decline push-ups. Incline push-ups are easier and can be done with your hands on an elevated surface. Decline push-ups, with your feet elevated, increase the difficulty and intensity. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, adjusting as needed based on your fitness level. Push-ups are also great for enhancing your core stability and overall functional strength. Keep your movements controlled and focus on maintaining a straight line with your body. With consistent practice, push-ups can be a game changer in your fitness journey. Planks are one of the best exercises for building core strength and stability. To get started, position yourself on the floor, resting on your forearms and toes. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold this position. Focus on keeping your body as still as possible. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Start by holding the plank for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the time as your strength improves. For added intensity, try plank variations like side planks or plank with leg lifts. These variations target different muscle groups and add a new level of challenge to your routine. Incorporate planks into your workout routine at least 3 times a week. They can be done anywhere and require no equipment, making them a versatile addition to your fitness regimen. With consistent practice, you'll notice a stronger core and improved posture. Lunges are excellent for toning your legs and glutes. Start by standing with your feet together. Take a step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Your front knee should be directly above your ankle, and your back knee should hover just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Focus on keeping your torso upright and your core engaged throughout the movement. To add variety, try walking lunges or reverse lunges. Walking lunges involve stepping forward with each lunge, while reverse lunges involve stepping backward. Both variations challenge your balance and coordination, providing a comprehensive lower body workout. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps on each leg. Lunges are great for building strength and endurance in your lower body. Over time, you'll notice improved muscle tone and better overall leg strength. Holding dumbbells by your sides or a barbell on your shoulders increases the intensity and helps build more muscle. With consistent practice, lunges can significantly improve your lower body strength and appearance. Burpees are a full-body exercise that can help you burn a lot of calories and improve your cardiovascular fitness. Start in a standing position, then drop into a squat with your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then return to the squat and jump up with your hands reaching overhead. This sequence of movements works multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, chest, and shoulders. Burpees are intense, making them an excellent addition to any high-intensity interval training or HIIT workout. Focus on maintaining a steady pace and proper form. As you drop into the squat, keep your chest up and back straight. When in the plank position, engage your core to maintain stability. The jump at the end should be explosive, using the power from your legs. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, adjusting based on your fitness level. Burpees can be modified to suit beginners by eliminating the jump or stepping back into the plank position instead of kicking back. For advanced variations, try adding a push-up when you're in the plank position, or incorporating a tuck jump at the end. Incorporating burpees into your routine a few times a week can significantly boost your fitness levels. Burpees are tough, but they're worth the effort for the incredible results they deliver. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Incorporating these 5 exercises into your routine can lead to significant changes in just 4 weeks. Remember, consistency and proper form are crucial for achieving the best results. Track your progress, celebrate your achievements, and stay motivated. Fitness is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll dive deeper into other exercises, workout routines, and fitness tips to help you on your journey. Until then, keep pushing, stay strong, and take one step at a time towards a healthier, fitter you.